How to lower the volume of alarm on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Now, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, look for the Ringtone and Alert section. Here, you'll see a volume slider. This slider controls the volume of your iPhone's ringtones, alerts, and alarms. To make your alarm quieter, simply drag the slider to the left. As you move the slider, you can hear the volume changing, so adjust it until you find a comfortable level. If you don't want the alarm volume to change accidentally when you press the physical volume buttons, you can also turn off Change with Buttons. When this option is turned off, the volume buttons won't change the ringtone, alert, and alarm volume. Now, when your alarm goes off, it should play at the new lower volume. And that's how you can lower the alarm volume on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.